So hello Wiz family, welcome back to a new video. So you want to know what is blockchain? You have come to the right place. This video is a beginner guide to blockchain technology. We will explain what blockchain is, how it works and why it is so important. We will also give you a glimpse into the future of blockchain and how it will change the world as we know it. So if you are ready to learn about blockchain, this video is for you.
Welcome to our channel whizhawk. Let's start.
Over the past few decades, blockchain has evolved from a curious technology to a bold new uh, for our collective data infrastructure. Its potentially has transcended industries and has the power to revolutionize everything from healthcare to online gaming. But the question is, what is blockchain? Broadly speaking, a blockchain is a highly secure, communicable chain of data that helps business network exchange assets, store information, and record transactions. These digital ledgers make use of consequence and permanent record keeping to make such processes more efficient and safe for all involved parties. But here I will provide a comprehensive overview of blockchain for beginners, examining the technology's history, current array of uses, and growing list of functional characteristics. So, we will move on understanding the basics. You may find yourself asking these questions at the mention of blockchain, and this is completely understandable. Despite its growing prominence, the term remains an enigma to many. However, by gaining a working understanding of blockchain basics, you will be better able to understand the concept and its growing importance in the digital age. So, definition of blockchain. In essence, blockchain is simply a type of databases. However, the key difference between blockchain and common databases is the way the data is structured. Unlike standard databases which store data in centralized relation tables, blockchain is an open, peer-to-peer network that favors communal functionality in lieu of a centralized controlling entity. So, move on other topics. First, we know about its history of blockchain. A brief history of blockchain. While blockchain currently commands a lot of attention, its basic characteristics are hardly a new concept. The technology database dates back to 1991, when a group of researchers first described the idea of cryptographically securing data in a chain of blocks, time-stamping the chain so it would be impossible to overwrite or tamper with the data. This concept became the subject of scholarly study and experimentation throughout the next decade. Then, in 2008, a developer under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto introduced a model that would become the first functional blockchain that went to be used as the first public ledger for Bitcoin trading. Since this breakthrough, the technology has grown to surpass its cryptocurrency implications alone, introducing new data oriented possibilities for countless industries. Today, with innovative entities like Ethereum and Ripple leading the charge, blockchain representing a full-fledged paradigm shift for data sharing, storage, and fortification. So, how does blockchain work? At its core, a blockchain allows a network of individuals to share potentially valuable data in a tamper-proof way. The type of data in question often depends upon the blockchain, industry, or purposes. For example, a cryptocurrency based blockchain stores information on crypto transaction, including the trader and the amount of currency being exchanged. So, the blockchain process, we will also talk about the process. So, first process is a transaction is requested and authenticated by the blockchain network. Process number 2, a new block is created to represent the transaction. Process number 3, the new block is sent to every node or participant in the blockchain network. Nodes validated the new block and transaction. In most cases, nodes receives a reward as a result of a proof of work system. Process number 4, the new block is added to the blockchain. Process number 5, the blockchain updated is distributed across the network. So after these processes, the transaction is complete. So now we talk about blockchain components. Each chain is based on three critical components: blocks, nodes, and miners. We will talk about in brief in these components. Blocks are the cluster of data that act as the chain links and include two important numbers called nonce and hashes. Nonce are 32-bit whole number generated when a block is created, while hashes are 256-bit number linked to the nonce and used to identify that specific block. Nodes. Nodes are essentially devices that are capable of participating in a blockchain. Miner. Blockchain miners are responsible for changing or mining of blockchain data. Blockchain advantages and disadvantages. So, first we talk about advantage. As noted that earlier, blockchain primarily advantage stem for its cryptography, security, over crowdsource oversights, and general stability. Blockchain disadvantage. Blockchain biggest strengths could potentially become its undoing without consistent causing. Network consequence, for instance, is generally defined as 51% node approval and so-called 51% attack are a theoretical threat based on this same model. So, how to learn blockchain? Once you have working understanding of blockchain basics, you will be equipped to learn the craft yourself before seeking out an applicable educational path. It is important to also align a few necessary blockchain skills applicable to an industry career. These skills may include cybersecurity, computer programming, data structure, smart contracts, cryptography. So we will talk about in brief in these topics. Since blockchain is primarily built around data safeguarding, it is critical for a new blockchain professional to have a background in cybersecurity basics, making it easier to apply this knowledge to the blockchain encryption. To know about cybersecurity in detail, we will upload a video in last month. So watch this video if you are interested in cybersecurity. Second is computer programming. Like cybersecurity, computer programming is a highly relevant piece of fundamental blockchain knowledge. Aspiring developers should aim to verse themselves in a versatile blockchain-ready language like Python, C++, and JavaScript. Data structure. Blockchains run atop various complex data structures. These may refer to structure of an individual block, a connection between two blocks, or the blockchain in its entirety. Smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements that allow blockchain transactions to take place without third-party oversights. Cryptography. Blockchain uniquely affects cybersecurity exists in part because of high-level cryptography. Broadly, the code-based prevention of the external access to protected or private data. So, many of the Instagram users and YouTube comments are asking about NFTs. So, NFTs is non-fungible tokens have a quite bit of conservation this year. These digital assets are containing within blockchains and are completely unique. We will discuss in deep in separate video. So in the last, I just wanted to take a quick minute to say thank you so much for watching my videos. If you enjoy the video, please like and share it with your friends. We would also love to hear your feedback in the comments below. I really appreciate your support. If you have any suggestion for videos, please let me know. I hope you have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy, make sure please subscribe for more information and follow me on Instagram and Twitter for daily updates. Link in bio. Bye and take care. Love you.